Hello everyone. Welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how I stone this Ankara dress. So any fabric that you have that you want to stone, except it is form of a nylon fabric that you know that something that is hot cannot work on, then you can stone any fabric and design, give a design to any dress, so it looks beautiful on you. So as you can see, this fabric, I don't have any other fabric that I want to stone, so I can show you while making the video. So I have to remove some of the stones that are here. Mind you, when you remove stones, you can't use those stones again because the glue at the back of the stones must have weared off. So you can see that the glue is still stick to this dress even though the stone has been removed. So you can't use them again except you want to use glue to put it on the dress. So I'm using the HOTFIX wand. I got this from Crafty Fabric Crafts, Lagos, Nigeria. So it comes with this. These are what you use to fix the stones, and these are the stones as well, the ones I'm going to be using today. The ones I'll be using, those are the stones. You can use Swarovski, you can use whatever HOTFIX you have. So those are the HOTFIX I'm using. Before you actually plug your wand, before you plug your HOTFIX wand, what you have to do is to put a screw the size of the HOTFIX that you want to put on your dress. The size of what I mean is that those are different sizes which you can use to install HOTFIX on your dress. So you choose the one that is the size of the HOTFIX, so that you put it on the tip of the wand, so that you'll be able to use it. Here, let me show you what I mean. You can see this. They actually have sizes. If you look at this one very well, you can see this is for 7 mm. You can use it for 7 mm HOTFIX. You can see it. This is 7 mm. This is 2 mm. This is 2 mm. They all have the sizes on them. This is 3 mm. This is 3 mm. So each sizes that you want to use, each of the size of the stone that you want to use, you pick it. This one is 5 mm. So right now these stones, they are 3 mm. This stone is 3 mm. So I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be using this to install the HOTFIX. So what you do, you screw this on the wand, just as it comes with them. So you screw it on the wand. You can see. So now this is what I will use to pick the stone. Mind you, you should put the stone in a solid surface or a paper. You just turn it like this, you pick it, you use the wand to pick it. So when you pick it, you can see it. This is the HOTFIX. This is what we glue. It will melt and then you put it on your dress. So right now we'll plug the HOTFIX wand. So once you plug your your wand, here you put it on from here. You can see the light is on, so you leave it. You leave it for a little while so that it will hot. So here you can't put it down like this, so because of that, here is a stand. It comes with a stand like this, so you just put it like this. So while waiting for your wand to be hot, you can arrange your HOTFIX in a way that you will just pick it with the wand and then place it on the fabric. You just arrange it facing down like this. This is where the glue is. So you take it, you arrange it facing down so that you can easily pick it with the wand, with the applicator. Meanwhile, this can be dangerous if you don't touch the tip of your applicator, because it's actually going to burn you. So you have to keep it away from children while you are doing whatever you're doing. And this is, you just pick it. So you pick the HOTFIX with your wand, with the HOTFIX wand, and then you place it on the fabric. You can see that the glue on the HOTFIX is melting. So you place it on your fabric. Basically, this is what you do. You use the HOTFIX one, and then you pick your HOTFIX and place it on the fabric, just like that, until you are satisfied with the quantity that you have on your fabric, how it looks. So this is how you do it. Just place, pick, place. That's it. So there's another way you can do this. There's another method for doing this, like using your fingertip or your tweezer to pick the HOTFIX and then place it in the position, the exact position you want it to be on your fabric, and then you use the HOTFIX to heat it up while the glue melts and it sticks to your fabric. I don't know if you understand that, but just watch and see as I do it. I use my hand, pick up the HOTFIX and then place it on the fabric where I want it to be, and I use the HOTFIX wand to heat it up and it sticks to the fabric just like this. Basically, those are the two methods that you use to stone your fabric. Also, you can also use a domestic iron to stone your fabric as well. That will be another video for another day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and if it helps you in any way, and then subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.